Welcome to Recorder with Mr. Wright. Today we are going to learn dona, nobis, pacem. I'm excited to do this with you today. We're going to learn some new notes, so I'll do my best to play it well. And you might hear a mistake or two from me. That's okay. We're learning this together. This is a great song. It's one of the world's most famous canons or rounds. It creates its own harmony when you do it. There's 3 parts to it, but we will only learn part 1 today, which is what you see on the screen today. Let's start by just hearing the melody a little bit, okay? It sounds like this. Here we go. Dona, nobis, pacem, pacem. Dona, nobis, pacem. Great. And so the great thing about these songs, they're sung all over the world, and you could play along with it. And so we're going to go back and learn a few of those notes. All right, let's look at our melody here. And before we play the melody, let's review some of our notes, okay? Let's start with the G and the A and the B. Let's play those together. Ready, begin. And let's do those 3 again, and we'll add the C note and the D note. Okay, so those 5, G, A, B, C, D. Ready, begin. Good, good. Now, we also are going to we have one new note this week, and it's a B flat. B flat, it plays just like the G, but you lift the middle finger. Here's G, here's B flat. And in this song, we go D, C, B flat, A. So those 5 in a row. And that part is here. Da 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 da. Where is it? Yeah. Yeah. Da 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 da. All right. Let's add some of our lower notes now that we've been playing. So there's G. F is just add 1 more finger. E, 2 fingers. D, 3 fingers. And C. Sorry, sometimes I have trouble with that low C because I blow too hard. We got to blow softly. There's our C. All the fingers covered. Okay. All right, so there's our notes. Let's now review the notes slowly. F, C, A. Oh, and by the way, I'll put a link to this, a link to the sheet music, so you can get a copy of the sheet music if you wanted to print it out. Also a link to this recording if you wanted to play along with it. That would be great. And in fact, maybe that's more important, the link to this, because it has the music on it, and you can follow along. Okay, so let's get those notes. All right, so F, C, F, A, I'm sorry, so F, I'm going to go back up, up the elevator. All right, so F, and then the C, all the fingers down, covering all the holes and blowing gently. C, and then the A. All right, dona. Next, G, C, B flat. Okay, that's our new note. So G, C, and B flat. All right, that's the next part. So maybe you want to pause the recording and play those a little bit. G, C, B flat. Dona, nobis, pacem. Now we're going to go A, G, F. A, G, F. So A. Repeat the F. A, G, F, F, E. Let's do those notes, starting with the A. Ready, begin. Next, those notes we practiced earlier. D. Da 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 da. Do, D, C, B flat, A, G. Those are the ones we went over earlier. D, C, B flat, and then A, and G. Let's do those 5 notes in the rhythm. Ready, begin. Again, a little slower this time. Ready, begin. One more time, even slower. Ready, begin. And finishing C, B flat, A. Let's do those 3 notes again. C, B flat, A. Ready, go. Continuing now to the finish. A, G, F, E, F. A, G, F. There it is. Let's do those 5 notes, starting with the A. Ready, go. Good job. Okay, we're going to try playing the whole thing along with the recording. And let me slow it down here a little bit. I'm going to move my speed to playback. I'm going to go 3/4 speed. All right. And now let's bump it back to about 15 seconds at the video. And I think that's about where the melody starts. Here we go, starting with that F note. Okay, and you could even slow that down to half speed if you wanted. Let's try that all again, starting at about 15 seconds. And same tempo, starting on that F note, F to C, back to, and then to the A. And that's the first part of the song, and now it adds more parts. Now, this recording will play the other 2 parts, but you could just repeat that melody. Here it's showing 2 parts. Here's the melody you're playing right here, and then later on, we're at about 30 seconds into the video. Later on, it shows 3 parts in this video. Where is it? No, that's where to go. We should say, there it is, 3 parts later on. Here's your part again, your melody. So if you're viewing it, you can follow this part while the other 2 parts are played. You could just repeat this part 1 for now, and then maybe in future weeks we will learn the other parts. Okay, I'm going to go back to the beginning here, and we're going to play along, and then we're going to continue to let it play, and we'll just keep playing our melody as we go. We're at 3/4 speed here. We're getting ready with our first note, which is the F note, and then the C, and then the A. All right? And I will do my best, and I'm sure you will do yours as well. We're all both learning this together. Here we go. All right, starting with the F. Here we go. Okay, I have to start that again. I'm so sorry, and I'm not going to rewind, but I apologize. In the future, I'll have editing video. We're going to go back and do that one more time because I know I can do better. And here we go, from the same spot, starting with that F note. Here we go. and there it is. There it is, Dona, nobis, pacem. And if you learn this song, we will definitely be doing this in the future in music class with Mr. Wright. We may be singing it. We may have different instruments play it. And so I hope you enjoy this great classic tune, and you have a great week. Thanks for making music with me.